Welcome again to Dan the Dan Cooking. Today we are making bacon, cheese, and basil harumaki or spring rolls. So let's get started. For this recipe, we're going to start off with 10 sheets of spring rolls, and then we're going to move on to our cheese. We have 120 grams of cheddar. We also added about 50 grams of gorgonzola. Now I have an asterisk here for the gorgonzola because after I made these and ate them, since the gorgonzola is a very strong taste, it was, I would say, a bit salty. So you can either change the gorgonzola or I would use a lot less next time I make them. 50 grams of bacon, a handful of basil, and then last we have salt and pepper. So again, for the salt, since I used gorgonzola and it was a bit salty, I wouldn't use salt if I were to make them again if I was using gorgonzola. So the first thing we have to do is prepare our bacon by cutting it into 10 pieces, and then those 10 pieces we will cut into 2 to 3 pieces each and then set them aside in the dish. We need a plate to set our rolls in after we roll them, and a small dish of water so we can seal the end of it. So we start off with one wrap, one slice of cheese, just break it up, a few pieces of gorgonzola, about 2 to 3 slices of bacon, and 2 to 3 pieces of basil leaf, and then we salt and pepper this. Then we're gonna roll this up, starting at the bottom, and then push your cheese and basil inside. Then we fold the sides in, while we try to keep everything inside. And then we just roll it almost to the top. Once you get to the top, you take a little bit of water and put it on the corner. This way, when you fold it over, it will stick. We'll set this aside on the plate while we make 9 more. Now we will fry our rolls in olive oil at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to cook them about 1 minute on each side so the rolls get nice and brown on the outside. If any of the cheese starts to leak out, just take out the roll and then try to clean out any of the cheese that is left inside cooking in the oil. Okay, now that we're finished cooking, we're gonna take one roll, we're gonna cut it diagonally in half, and then serve it on a plate with 2 more and a little bit of lettuce, and they're ready to eat. So I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.